My name's Alan from Yorba Linda, California. I'm 80 years old. You may wonder why someone my age is interested in starting a drone business. Well, I have started and failed several different businesses in my lifetime, including some in computers, aviation, consulting, and also flipping houses and even flipping airplanes. I've also tried retirement, and I don't like it. I've done the Lone Ranger routine, and I've also had partners and employees with varying degrees of success. But for now, I want to be active and an example of productive involvement to help my children and my grandchildren to be able to take on the entrepreneurial spirit and start successful businesses. This workshop is one of the best so far on day one that I have attended, and so far on day two, that covers both the technical aspects of a specific industry and also the key elements of starting and running a business, including the key marketing elements. I'm looking forward to more of the content and the details of the exciting industry and the methods for promoting and operating drone operations. Thank you.